Hello.
How are we doing today, my friend?
A little bit better.
It could have been better?
Yeah.
All right. Tell us a little bit about your story here, would you please?
So I believe I started to feel pain. I think it is from work. Just make appointment, show up. You find a lot of problem and start fix it. And it's going to be better.
All right, so last couple days we've been adjusting you for about twice a day. So you went from very sharp pain to, what are you at today?
Still low back pain. Little.
Still low back pain, mild, moderate, severe?
Just in the middle, I believe.
Yeah, right in the middle, okay.
Yeah.
All right, my friend, let's take a look here. So a couple days ago, there was a lot of sharp pain. This gentleman was having a hard time even just standing, so. All right, my friend, you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna start up here and then we'll move down here, okay?
Okay.
All right. 1, 2, and 3, we're gonna sink right in here. There we go. One more. Last one. All right, on your side facing towards me, all right? All the way towards me.
Okay.
There we go, perfect. Ready? Yes. If you keep holding your breath, you're gonna be blue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, keep breathing. There. One more. Gonna roll you towards me. I promise I'm not gonna drop you. There we go. There. Let's get to the other side.
Which one?
Nope, you're good. Okay. Ready? One more. Just kidding. There we go. Oh yeah. Give yourself a big bear hug. We'll go very low on this one too, okay?
Okay.
All right. Again. Relax. There we go. Yeah, you notice when you relax. Yeah. All right, bud. Let's get up here right into your neck area. There we go. Nice. Same thing. Oh, one more. Ooh. There we go. All right, do me a favor, grab one. See the sides? Perfect. Let's make it taller, but no promises.
Okay.
Maybe a 1/1,000,000th of an inch or something
Yeah.
like that. There we go.
Yeah.
We just want to open up those joints everywhere in the hips and low back. Perfect.
Ooh, I feel it. It's cool.
Get up nice and slow.
It's much better. Because yesterday I lifted hard. Right now I can lift with my back. It's cool.
All right, perfect. You're welcome. Thank you, man.